Hey everyone, I am back with John, and he did such an amazing haircut. Last time, everybody loved you, right? Stalkers, stop. You're getting too many. 46 clients in one day you had just from that last video. But anyway, I'm so happy to have him back on the channel, and hopefully we're going to be doing a lot more collaborations together, so you'll be seeing more of him. And his Instagram is tagged below, where you can actually go to experience his services here in New Jersey or in Brooklyn in New York. So today we have another model, and I know what you're all saying. His hair is perfect. Watch, I'm actually going to spin. Look at this. Everybody wants longer hair. So if I were to pull this down, look at this. But the one thing I want to point out is, watch what happens. You see that? It springs up. So when you pull the hair down, especially with wavy hair and textured hair like this, it shrinks up by like more than half. Right, John? Right. So a lot of people think, oh, I want it to here, and then they get it cut and it's up to here. It's like there's no hair. So if you have this hair type and you want to have your hair longer like this, I always tell people you probably need to grow it at least another 4 or 5 inches than what it is now. Right? Everybody thinks their hair is way too short, and just grow it and grow it and grow it and be patient. So he's got that amazing flow. He's got that beautiful texture in the back. However, John is going to work his magic and create a really, really awesome shape, and I'm going to let him share what he's doing. So I'm really excited to have John back on the channel. Let's get started.
Okay, so for this haircut, what we're going to be doing is similar to what we did last time. We're going to be adding in a lot of shape, but this time we're actually going to be cutting a bit more length off than what the current length is calling for. So as you can see here, we are going from a grown out medium length flow hairstyle, and we're actually going to tuck it in a little bit so that it hugs the natural shape of his head. But we're still going to leave it at a length so that we can see some of that nice wavy texture that he does have. We're obviously going to be taking advantage of that. But going for a shorter style, this is so that he can kind of easily maintain it a little bit more, get a slimmer look going on. But there is a way that you can have a quote unquote shorter hairstyle, but still be able to see a lot of texture. So the way that I'm going to cut it, we're going to show you exactly how you can preserve texture, but still have a shorter hairstyle. All right, guys, here's the finished result. As you can see, we have a natural sitting curtain bang mid-part style. And as for the sides and the back, we went with something a little bit more graduated in order to kind of contour the natural shape of his head. But we left the ends still natural instead of a hard line. This allows for, in my opinion, a better grow out phase and just for more of a modern look. Wispy ends and just overall a much more textured look to a classic hairstyle. And obviously we have the low, medium skin taper on the sides as well, just to kind of create that contrast and to increase the longevity of his haircut overall.
John, I'm officially banning you from this studio. All right, now you're 2 for 2. You've done incredible work so far, and I really love what you've done here. And I think it's important because as I'm looking at his hair up close, once again, he's got really, really thick hair, somewhat of a slight natural wave. Would you say that? Kind of a light wave, right?
Yeah,
light wave as it grows out. But a lot of people want to have this flow. As I just kind of lightly turn this here. And the one thing that you mentioned to me, which seeing this up close, you did leave this a bit more wispy in through here. A lot of times, the go-to is taking and getting rid of it, right?
Yep.
Making it very, very harsh. So I think to me, that helps it grow out looking a bit softer, right?
Right.
And then the way you contoured the head. One thing also I want to make note of is in through this area and through here, you actually left the proper amount of length, because a lot of times people might cut this too short, right, and then it becomes unbalanced to where you lose all that length in through here.
Right.
So, so what you did by allowing that length to kind of live where it needs to live is really, really nice. And then as you transition into the top, once again, this is the focal point of making sure this is longer.
Right.
If this is too short, you're finished, right?
Right.
It becomes in like this really crazy rounded shape to where this front's up here, it's really heavy back here, it's unbalanced, right?
Like we were talking about in the beginning of the video, where oftentimes this is cut too short and then when it dries up, it shrinks.
Yep.
Leaving the crown a little bit heavier allows me to use a longer guideline to keep the top long.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you think, and also people who are watching, we're going to be doing some collaborative videos on just talking about haircuts in general, his perspective on layering mine, which I'm looking forward to. But I think this is something where in your opinion, do you think more barbers need to be understanding this part of haircutting more overall?
100%. I believe modern haircutting has transitioned out from hairstyles that heavily revolve around fades and now depend mostly on structure and shape. Yeah.
And you combined a beautiful, I literally saw you do this sideburn fade and I was like, geez, how you did it so fast.
Quick, yeah.
But you did it so nicely too, So once again, thank you so much for being on my channel. If you are interested in visiting his shop, he has 2 shops, one in Highland Park, New Jersey, and one in Brooklyn in New York. And in the description, I'll tag them and then the name of it so you can go check them out. What are you, 3 years in advance you have to book? 3 years, 4 years, what is it?
1 month in advance.
1 month, so yeah, but if you are just coming across this video, I think I have over 3,500 videos here on YouTube. And I've had numerous barbers and people here on my channel, and I can honestly say that he has done a really, really good job, and I'm confident in saying, hey, if you are local, to go check him out, because he's proven to me that he does really, really great work. So give him, if you need a haircut, reach out to him. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. I know you all like when I have models and stuff in, but thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.